don't be timid when you in it, fly that. Love a bone, give along, need it. I don't want no drip, baby, spray like it's so fine. It's spicy, baby, jump up on this. I guess that's why you like it, baby. Come and give this. Takes a lot to excite me, baby. Give it all you got. I'm a tough cookie, baby. Get the right stuff.
Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be going over gel nail polish kit. This was a kit purchased off of Amazon, and I think I paid $18.49 for this. You do get 12 colors. You get very hefty bottles, 12 mLs each. And one of them you do get a glitter color, and you do get like a milk white color. And I am going to be doing the water effect using these colors later on in the video as well. So we're going to go ahead and get these swatched out so you can see what they look like. I did not use a matte top coat or a glossy, so they are going to be in their raw state so you can see what they look like. I actually thought I was supposed to get the jelly set, but somehow I got the order mixed up and I ended up with the neon perfect summer kit. But nonetheless, I was able to work with it. You can still do the effect. You don't have to have jelly colors. You can use regular solid colors and just work it in like you with it as well. So we'll get these swatched out, and then I'll jump back in the video in a little bit.
Swim a feeling, love it, baby. Twist it on me, do it like you mean it, darling. Keep it coming, ooh, keep it running, leave it messy. Go ahead and leave it. Swim a feeling, your eyes on me apply. Get it, don't be timid when you in it, fly. Love a bomb, give along, need it. Say I don't want no drip, baby, spray like it's so fine. It's spicy, baby, jump up on this. I guess that's why you like it, baby. Come and give this. Takes a lot to excite me, baby. Get it all I got. I'm a tough cookie, baby, in the right spot. Yeah, yeah. Hit it, baby. Hit it, baby.
Las 12, nos fuimos de roce. Hoy voy a lo loco, ustedes me conocen. Reggaeton de Tego, pa' que se lo gocen. Saben quién es Barbie, lo expreso en José. Y yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Después de las 12 salimos a buscar el party. Ando con los tigres, estamos en modo safari. Con un fue violento que parece musical. Y yo tomando vino y algunos fumando mari. La policía está molesta porque ya se puso buena la fiesta. Pero estamos legal, no me pueden arrestar. Por eso yo sigo hasta que amanezca en ti. Yo no me complico.
So initially I had no clue on what I was going to do with this set. Like I said, I wanted to do the water drop effect, and instead of using the blue jelly color, because I really didn't have one, I think I did have one. I ended up finding it later on, and I think I did use it in the set. It was an order that I made a long time ago, and I actually completely forgot about it. So I actually did have some more jelly colors that I could have used, but I just ended up using the set for it. So we are going to be doing a mermaid set inspired by Little Mermaid. You know, the live action Disney Little Mermaid has came out. I have not watched it yet, so please do not leave any spoilers in the comments for me. However, the original Little Mermaid movie is actually one of my favorite Disney movies. I think Little Mermaid is probably in my top 5 Disney movies. Lion King, Princess and the Frog, the Aristocats, I think that's what it's called. I'm not sure on that one. Don't quote me on that one. Pinocchio is one of my favorites, and Dumbo, old school. So those are my top 5 Disney movies. Let me know in the comments what are your top 5 Disney movies if you have one. So we're gonna get these swatched out. Like I said, I will be jumping in and out the video a little bit in the tutorial.
¿Cómo te explico? No me complico. A mí me gusta pasarla rico. No me complico. Nah, yo no me complico. Nah, yo no me complico.
And you were trained to wait. But if I'm good for you tomorrow, try me now.
Son más de las 12, nos fuimos de roce. Hoy voy a lo loco, ustedes me conocen. Reggaeton de Tego, pa' que se lo gocen.
I will say for coverage, these are very bright and pigmented. You can typically get away with using one layer. I would highly advise you working in thin layers. You know what? The more opaque, the more high risk of you actually applying one thick layer, and it possibly wrinkling on you when you're curating your lamp. So make sure you have a high enough wattage. I think mine can go up to 60. I think. But make sure your wattages are enough for these. Like I said, typically you can get away with one layer, but for me, I always end up going in with 2 thin layers just to be on the safe side, so I don't have any wrinkles or anything like that in my set. So we are almost done swatching, and as always, if you are new to the channel,
¿Cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico. A mí me gusta pasarla rico. Ey, ey, bluff, bluff, bluff. Ey, 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 bluff. Que siga la fiesta, no vamos a parar. Aquí solo se para si llama mi mamá. Hoy me tocó seguir, la gente pide más. Me invitan por aquí, me invitan por allá. Y vamos a seguir. Las botellas llegan y no las pedí. Sola la casa y están todas solitas. Si saben cómo soy, para que me invitan, pa' que me invitan. Vamos a seguir. Las botellas llegan y no las pedí. Sola la casa y están todas solitas. Si saben cómo soy, para que me invitan, pa' que me invitan. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta pasarla rico. ¿Cómo te explico? No me complico, a mí me gusta pasarla rico. Yo no me complico, ¿cómo te explico? Que a mí me gusta.
we're going to go ahead and jump right in with the tutorial. I am using Couture's Sport Cover Square Nails XL. I'm starting off with using a thin layer of the glitter color that came in the kit, and then I'm going to do like a little ombre using one of the colors. I'm not sure which colors I used, so I'm not even going to try to list them, but you can tell in the video. So I'm going to go ahead and start with a thin layer of the blue, and then I'm going to go in with a thin layer of the purple, and then I'm going to blend those two into a vertical ombre, and then I'm going to go ahead and apply a different layer as well. This nail, I just used a thin layer of blue before I started my water effect process. So I'm going to go ahead and paint a thin layer. I think for this I did use one layer because I wanted to try to keep it as jelly as I could. If you add too much, it may not work as good as it should as far as the water effect goes.
Feeling young, but they treat me like the OG. And they want the T on me, I swear they nosy. Said he put some money on my head, I guess we gon' see. I won't put no money on his head, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, he can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turned to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be f***ing on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be or couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security.
Alright, so after I get done braiding my nail, I'm going to go ahead and go in with the Milk White Gel Polish and apply a thin layer. You do not cure that layer. Once you apply that thin layer, then you go in with the No Wipe Top Coat. This is from Young Gotti Nails. I will have a link for those. I'll have a link for that down below. You can use the brush or you can use the dotting tool, whichever you choose. I know with the brush, I did get a little bit bigger water droplets than what I was expecting. So I would suggest you use the dotting tool if you want something small. Once you apply the No Wipe Top Coat with your brush, turn it upside down. That way it doesn't run to the sides or anything like that, or it doesn't really settle. And then go ahead and pop it into your lip for 10 seconds. Don't let it sit. Just go ahead and flash cure it for 10 seconds.
I won't put no money on this shit, my niggas owe me. I gotta be single for a while, you can't control me. Uno, those traits in a race, they can't hold me. And I show my face in a case, so you know it's me. Imitation isn't flattery, it's just annoying me. And I'm too about it. And the dirt that they threw on my name turn to soil, and I grew up about it. Time for y'all to figure out what y'all gon' do about it. Big wheels keep rolling, rolling. Outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. Look, don't invite me over if you throw another pretty party. Looking back, it's hard to tell you where I started. I don't know who loved me, but I know that it ain't everybody. I can never love her, she a busybody. Baby, if you want me, can't be turning up with everybody. Nah, can't be f***ing on this anybody. Yeah, I got feelings for you, that's the thing about it. Yeah, you know that it's something when I sing about it. Yeah, mama used to be on disability, but gave me this ability. And now she walking with her head high and her back straight. I don't think you feeling me, I'm out here being everything they said I wouldn't be or couldn't be. I don't know what happened to them guys that said they would be. I said, see you at the top and they misunderstood me. I hold no resentment in my heart, that's that maturity. And we don't keep it on us anymore, it's with security. I'm outside, 29, G5, seaside. I've been losing friends and finding peace. But honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me. If I ever heard one, and I'm still here outside. Front line, south side. I've been losing friends and finding peace. Honestly, that sound like a fair trade to me.
Keep your eyes on me, apply that. Get it, don't be timid when you in it, apply that. Love a bonus, give along, need it. I don't want no drip, baby, spray it like it's so fine, it's spicy, baby, jump up on this. I guess that's why you like it, baby, come and get this. Takes a lot to inside me, baby, give it all you got. I'm a tough cookie, baby, get the right side. Texting me, you know I won't reply. Why you ain't with me when I wasn't just flying? Now I'm on top and now I'm riding sky high. Don't need nobody, but I'll take you down tonight. And now I'm okay with being nasty. Just can't hop for all these flowers. for it, but you gon' have to wait. But when you get it, lick it like you can't change. Keep your eyes on me, apply. Get it, don't be timid when you in it, fly. Love a bone, live alone, need it. Say I don't want no trip, baby, spray it like you need it. So fine, it's spicy, baby, jump up on this. I guess that's why you like it, baby, come and get this. Takes a lot, do it, shiny, baby, get it all.
So I'm going to go ahead and apply some nail foil glue to this nail. This is probably like the best cheap ooey gooey nail glue ever. I've used others like McCart and I think Bruno, and I really don't like those. This one is really good. You just apply it to the nail, let it sit, I would say for 10 minutes. And then once your one's clear, you're able to apply your nail foil and you get a really good transfer out of it as well. So I have links for those down below. So at this point, I am switching over to the dotting tool just to add a little bit more details in between the bigger droplets that I had. So we're going to go ahead and add the small ones. And then again, just turn it upside down and then go ahead and cure on your lamp for 10 seconds.
I'm a dove boogie, baby, in the right spot. Yeah, yeah. Hit it, baby. Hit it, baby. Your eyes on me, apply that. Get it, don't be timid when you in it, apply that. Love a bone, give along, need it. I don't want no trip, baby, spray it like you need it. So fine, it's spicy, baby, jump up on this. I guess that's why you like it, baby, come and get this.
At this point, I'm going to let you guys watch the rest of this video. I am going to be using some charms that I came from a McCart. Is it Your Lab box? I'm not even sure how to put. I'm not even sure what it is anymore at this point. But it was from one of the monthly subscription boxes. I think I purchased like two boxes, and then by the second box, I was like, no, that's not it, and so I ended up canceling. So let me know if you guys ever did the monthly subscription box from McCart, if you guys liked it, or how long did it last before you canceled. Let me know in the comments, and then I'm gonna go ahead and let you guys watch the rest of this video.
Don't be timid when you in it, fly. Love a bone, live alone, need it. Say I don't want no trip, baby, spray it like you need it. So fine, it's spicy, baby, jump up on this. I guess that's why you like it, baby, come and get this. Takes a lot, do it, shiny, baby, get it all the time. I'm a dove boogie, baby, get the right spot. Pop it, baby, twist it, darling. Do it like you mean it, darling. Keep it coming, ooh, keep it running. Leave it messy, go ahead and live in it. Swim up in it, pop it, baby, twist it, darling. Do it like you mean it, darling. Keep it coming, ooh, keep it running. Leave it messy, go ahead and live in it. Swim up in it,
And this is the end result. Let me know what you think in the comments. Is this something that you're aware? This is my first mermaid set and I'm pretty proud of it. I do like the way it turned out. I was actually supposed to use a different product, but I have to find a different use for that later on. Anyway, love you guys. Be kind to each other, and I will see you in my next one.